Friends, in today's recipe I'm going to show us how I made this lemon cake that you just watched in the last slide. So okay, if you're interested and you want to know how I made this easy recipe of lemon cake, then you sit tight and keep watching. Now before I start, I'm going to show you the recipes that I use. Stay tuned. So these are my recipes, and as I put them into my blender, I'm going to show us one after the other. Of course, the paid and the main recipe for today is lemon. So this is already washed, so I'm going to chop it and put it inside here. So as I put in, I'm going to let you know on the screen each recipe that I put, so you just stay patient, come with me, stay tight, and I'll take you along. Okay,